Ogene! My brother, I'm back, oh! I'm back with the goat! What are you doing here?
The neighbor told me that he went to Kotoko's forest to harvest palm for Inye the widow in her late husband's palm plantation. I decided to come and lend you helping hand.
Oh, my brother. The neighbor was right. Madam Inye hired me to do that for her after you went to the market at Etokwe village. So I just went to check the level of job to be done. That's why I'm coming back now. Back to my question. You didn't go to the market again?
I did, and I'm back with the goat I went to buy.
Who can do? The goat is one of the items your in-laws demanded that we bring as part of the bride price for your wife. And you know we have already scheduled to go there in 3 days' time with all the items. So why are you playing prank with something as important as this?
Prank? Who is playing prank? Me, play prank something that concerns Ojemba. You know that is not possible, Ogene. I love that girl so much. And I will do anything for her, including covering the 22 kilometers between our community and Etokwe village. I'm back, running like a sprinter. And that was exactly what your brother did. Okay. Even with a fully grown goat on my shoulder. Ah, EJ love.
Who can do? Honestly, much as I want to believe you, I will not until I see the goat with my own eyes.
Then flow me back. Thomas' brother. Is that not the goat tied there? I told you now.
Tied where?
Look at the goat now.
Because I can't see anything now.
Look at the goat tied there now. I not seen the goat tied there.
Who can do? There is nothing there.
Okay. Since you have suddenly gone blind, let me bring the goat. Let it touch it. Hey! 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 What can you do? What can you do? Hey! What can you do? What can you do? What can you do? Hey! What can you do?
Please, choose this one. Just do this for me, please, and I will not disturb you again. You know, last week after you threatened to report me to my husband if I don't stop making this demand of you. I have tried, but I just can't. I can't. Chike, please. How can I? How can I when my body burns for your touch? Chike, please, madam. I know what your conscience is telling you. But for once, ignore your conscience and listen to my flesh.
Madam, please stop now, please. Please stop. So this is the reason you sent for me to come back home all the way from the market with such urgency. Please, stop this before you get me into trouble. I am begging you in God's name. I can't do this. You are my master's wife.
Chike, please. See me as a human being. See me as a woman in need of your manly touch. See, I promise you, next week when my husband will settle you, I will make sure he settles you handsomely. I promise you, trust me, I can do that. Just this once. Just make me feel like a woman.
Madam, God forbid it that I end my settlement by committing the abomination of defiling his matrimonial bed by sleeping with his wife. I cannot do this. Can't you see it? Please. Listen, I know I have served my Oga very well and he will settle me good in turn. But please, even if the reverse becomes the case, I'll take it in good faith. I cannot indulge in this abominable act. Pico, please, I can't. Madam, see, I can't. Madam, madam, see, you will get me into trouble. Madam, My voice can't breathe. CPR. Yes. Madam.
Chicken!
Chai. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ọ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ga-atarịrị ahụhụ a. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ajọ mmadụ ọ bụ ya kazinụ mma ọ. Chai. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ.
I see. Okay. You can see I am off to go and tap my palm. Take care of the house. And remember...
Yes, Papa. I remember everything you instructed me to do. And be rest assured that it will all be done before you come back as usual.
Okay.
Okay, so Papa, why don't you wait? Let me get you something to eat before you go.
No, my dear. My palms I prepared recently and are due to be tapped. That means more work for your father. Let me go and eat when I return.
Okay, Papa.
Keep the food, eh?
Eat your own.
Okay. Thank you.
Chicken!
Chicken, what is this?
What is this?
What happened to you?
What
Talk
did this
to
to
us,
you?
please.
Look at what they did to your son.
Who did this to you?
Look at what they did to your innocent son.
Chicken. Who did this to you? And why?
My Ogene and his wife.
Johnson?
You mean Johnson and his wife did this to you?
Yes, Papa.
Hi! Hi! Jim!
Oh my God.
Why?
Papa, my whole body is burning with pains and I'm tired.
Hey!
And I want to sit down. I'm thirsty.
Chai. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ọ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ga-atarịrị ahụhụ a. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ajọ mmadụ ọ bụ ya kazinụ mma o. Chai.
I tried everything I could to explain to him, Papa. I did all my best. But my Ogene would not listen to me. He wouldn't listen to anything I had to say. He just descended on me and started beating me mercilessly. He sent for 3 thugs. They came and he ordered them to beat me. And they beat me up so much, Papa. Look at what he did to your innocent son. Why? What did I do? Is it because we don't have money? Is it?
Chicken.
Papa, you don't believe me? Papa, you do not believe me?
Tell me where I should. Why should I believe this most absurd story of yours? Chicken, why should I believe you?
Papa, because I am telling the truth. I'm not lying. Papa, I did not do it. Believe me. Trust me. You are a man of honor and your blood flows in my veins. Papa, can you conceive doing such a thing, let alone carrying it out 1 week to your freedom from service to the same woman's husband? Think about it, Papa. I did not do it and I'm telling you the truth. Chisom, let me tell Papa that I did not do this. You know me very well.
Papa, I think we should...
Don't you dare tell me anything in his defense, Chisom. What on in God's name was you doing in that room with Ruth? In Johnson's absence? Eh? What?
Papa, you still do not believe me. Papa, I swear to my innocence.
How dare you?
Papa, Chisom.
What kind of desperation would make you do a thing like that? To your father!
Chisom, I did not. Chisom.
Who are the lookout for my gate? Is that Harry who?
Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ, ọ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ, ga-atarịrị ahụhụ ụwa. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ, ajọ mmadụ ọ bụ ya kazịnụ mma o chayi. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ.
Somebody for me.
Johnson, my cousin brother.
Our wife.
Okay. What are you doing in my compound? Hey, Adamu. Hey, why did you open my gate for this cursed animal?
Okay, I think I'm here for my brother. Then I open up for you.
Johnson, you're my kinsman. And I'm older than you too. Why should you talk to me like this, me?
Oh, shut up! Shut up, Ogene! Before I kill you here. Who else I kill you here? Eh? How dare you? How dare you show your face in my house after the outrageous thing your son did to my wife? How dare you open your dirty mouth to lecture me about age? Eh? And use less kinsman. Instead of you to go on your properties knees to beg and apologize.
Just calm down, calm down. Johnson. Johnson, calm down now. Calm down now. Eh? Hey. If what I said has angered you, please forgive me. Let us go inside and discuss like mature people, please. Eh?
Look, okay. Your mission here is to come and beg so that I will settle your evil son as scheduled next week. Better get out of my house. I said get out before I do something to you that you will regret.
I would have gladly turned and gone back to my house if my son is guilty as charged. But he is not.
How dare you? The dog you call a son assaulted your own cousin brother's wife while she is sleeping, and all you could say is that he is innocent. Have you no shame or respect to say that to my face, you fool? Oh. Are you implying that I lied against that dirty rag you call a son?
Our wife, my son had my manhood, and we all know what that means in our tradition. The implication is that if he is guilty, then the gods of our land will make him impotent. Which sane and guilty young man would do such a thing? And you and me know that Chike is sent, very, very sent.
Honey, if this old idiot is not out of this compound this moment, I'll fight for divorce.
Eh? My dear, please calm down. Calm down. It seems my decision not to pursue this matter any further after beating Chike up has sent the wrong signal to him and his useless son. But I have a surprise for them. Okay. I have a big surprise for you. Don't worry.
Yeah.
No. Adamu! Adamu! Yo, Oga! Come here! Hold this idiot. Make sure he doesn't go anywhere. I don't go anywhere.
That man package, I don't understand the man package.
I think that one go close now. I don't know where they worry also. Oh, close. So, but the way they do it, like say, no man will do something past us now. You know now.
That guy too there.
I bet you will like me. That kind of talk.
What's in the man? They vex me. That man they vex me. What's in the vex me with that my mistake? He know they give us better money.
See this one. With the craze. Since we there, how many people they call you for job now?
Wait, my phone there.
Guy, uru, I don't understand it. It be that. Never they call you so. Sorry, no voice.
The chief, guy. Chief? They don't care. That beast come for us. To all the star. Shoot, they won't die. They won't make a man just like the man. Chief, with that game, you know how they been now. Anything for your boys, Chief? Yes, sir. Yes, that's up. Now all of us there. Okay, for your house, sir. Chief, you no get pee, Your papa there, Chief. No, they calling now. Sharp. Ude your domo, ude your gate now. They knock as I talk to you so. No fear, Chief. Hey, mad.
Yeah.
Another assignment. Hey, one day I pick up another assignment. Who they match or they smoke?
I'm all sure the killer warrior.
Who they match?
Man,
Welcome, boys. They're very welcome.
Not.
50. You're welcome. You're welcome. This tied up animal here is the father of the idiot you handled for me 2 days ago. Deal with him.
Hey! Johnson! Also the bandia. Give her. Upon duka. Hey! Johnson, I'll drop no man.
Okay. They are the boys I paid to batter Chike.
Johnson, I'll drop no man.
I did it.
Johnson, I'll drop no man. Hey! Buko no represent no kadna bento.
Abara.
Represent.
Abara. Boss. Tie him. And deal with him even worse than you dealt with Chike.
Hey!
Do it!
Joe Sabi.
I will give you another 50,000.
And just for Gabi.
And just for what? Deal with him. I will give you another 50,000. I will do that.
So long.
Brother, it's past 11 p.m. Everybody's selling cards in this bed at consciously.
Don't tell me you did not get card again today, Ochiso.
It's one of my friend and former classmates. After much begging, she sold to me. This is it.
Thank God.
God.
Why, oh, why? Ooh, Chai, oh, adieu.
Uncle Johnson, it's not Chike, it's me, Chisom, calling you with his line. Please, Uncle Johnson, we just want to find out about our father. Has he gotten to your place?
Your father never came to my house today. But what show me is not all his life ever again and money for the last stay from my father.
Hey, he has called the line. Hey, Papa is dead.
Eh?
Papa has died in a motor accident.
Calm down, Chisom. Don't say this. Papa is not dead. Maybe on his...
Maybe what, brother Chike? The distance from this village to the city where Uncle Johnson lives is about 3 hours drive. Papa left this village about 8 a.m. It's about past 11 p.m. And he is yet to reach his destination.
Hey.
This has never happened before. He has traveled longer distances while I was alone with him, and he always finds a way to call. He uses a payphone to call the neighbors to update me about his whereabouts. Why is this one different?
I don't know, honestly, I don't know.
Maybe we should just call the police. We should just call them and tell them, I don't know. Something tells me inside of me that Uncle Johnson is lying. Papa has got it. He knows Papa's whereabouts. Something is telling me. I don't know. I feel it inside of me.
I think it's so too.
What is this now? Thank Use your head, though. God, how will we have this man keep us sleep bury him? How much will he pay us? When we talk to police, come here. God, how can you use your brain or have to do? How much will you even give us? God, me, I'm not there for the proper.
Might do something. You say, okay, this is over 200,000 naira now. Say, look at this man go inside bush, bury him there now. Why go leave this now? I don't understand though.
God, why they say 2 of them? Why don't they use my brain? Ogene will say, Ogene a prophet. He's a prophet. I want to know, say, we will not bury this man. I want to know, and I go tell him. Guy, how much that man give us? He wants you to be abroad, though. They use us like they will be rag. Guy, you see that money? We will get that money. For pocket. Because me, I need that money pass you. My girlfriend, they disturb me, say she need money. So you do so now, guy. I need that money pass you. So we will get the money. Give this man here, maybe don't deal. Money, don't even get money for them. Well, now, snuff if you get for that place.
Chai. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ọ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ga-atarịrị ahụhụ ụwa. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ajọ mmadụ ọ bụ ya kazinụ mma o. Chai. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ọ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Amaghị m o. Ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Nwanne m. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ajọ mmadụ ọ bụ ya kazinụ mma o. Tụlee o. Tụlee, tụlee ma ọ ga-adị gị mma. Ihe ahụ i mere onye ọzọ emeghị ya, ọ ga-adị gị mma. Tụlee o. Tụlee, tụlee ma ọ ga-amasị gị. Ihe ahụ i mere onye ọzọ emeghị ya, ọ ga-adị gị mma.
Brother, you have regained consciousness. Nurse, he's conscious again. Please talk to Nurse. I'm here with her. Brother? I don't know. Sorry. Oh, is he in trouble?
He needs to see a doctor immediately. He obviously has multiple internal injuries. And why hasn't he been taken to see a doctor yet?
Nurse, please, my father traveled, and the only money he left for us, we have used it in buying call cards to call him. We don't have any kobo left at all. Please just help him. Please, anything you can do, just help him. Please.
Help him?
Yes.
How? With what? See, what I have in this box, and even at home, is just few tablets of analgesics. And in the condition I'm seeing him right now, such will be almost useless.
Biko, not Biko, don't go. Biko, I'm begging you. Just do anything to help my brother, please. I don't want him to die. Biko, no, I'm begging you, Biko. My father will pay. Please, I'm begging you, Biko. Just help me. Go. Just help.
I'm not supposed to be doing this. Because I'm not a professional doctor. I'm only doing it because I'm a friend to the family. Take this. Go to any patent medical store and get the drugs. They will cost you at least 6,000 naira.
Hey, 6,000 naira. No, I just told you we don't have any money. Please now, just help me. Anything you can, just help me. My father will pay. Please, I promise you.
The government has not paid us our salaries for the past 7 months. I even find it difficult to feed myself. Just get the drugs. I'll treat him free of charge, okay? That's all I can do for you, okay?
Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ọ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ga-atarịrị ahụhụ ụwa. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ajọ mmadụ ọ bụ ya kazinụ mma o. Tụlee o. tule tule mogadi gimma iyangi mere onyozo emegi ya ogadi gimma tule o tule tule moga masigi iyangi mere onyozo emegi ya ogadi.
I'm feeling so much pain inside of me. Please help me. Please, God, gets me drugs. I'm begging you. God, get me drugs now. Please.
What do you want me to do, brother? How am I going to help you? Last night I went to all the patent medicine sellers in this community, and none of them has the drug. Only Peter, and he bluntly refused to sell on credit. So how am I going to raise this money to go and buy this drug now?
No, do not sit here talking. Please go and get the drug. I'm dying. Please. You really want your only brother to die? Beg him. Cry for him. Do anything for him to release those drugs. Please help your brother. Jesus, don't let me die.
Brother, sorry. Sorry. Hey! Hey! Brother.
You have the money for the drugs. Then what are you doing here? Isn't it enough that you woke me up deep into the night yesterday, wasted my time with your tears and plates? I told you last night, and I'm repeating myself to you now. I don't sell my drugs for credit. Next to me, poor Richard King.
I don't want you to die, please. Thank you. I swear. I'll do anything. I swear my brother is dying, please. I'll do anything you want me to do. Anything I know. Just to save my brother, please. Okay. You will? Thank you very much.
Make a call with you, let me take you.
Are the drugs not here?
Yes. We know the drugs are right here. But due to constant harassment and so I keep them at home. Yes.
Then why don't you go and get it while I want to buy a shop for you?
Nobody will dare to steal from a shop in this village. Don't you know where the brother is? It's a sin for this officer. Or don't you know the drugs agent will there?
Papa, come on. Chicken, what is it now?
Chicken.
Huh?
Chicken, ma'am. Chicken. Chicken, what is it? Hey, chicken. Chicken. Chicken, get up, get up.
Papa, easy, huh? Please try and get water. Let's quickly on him.
my hand. Get up. Let's take him to hospital. Hospital. Hey! Chisom!
Talk to me, what is it? Talk to me, what is it, Chisom? Huh? What happened to you? Why are you crying? Huh? Peter. Which Peter?
My daughter. Oh, my baby, sweet. I no lie. What my boss see you sweet. Just let me say you feel like I rape you. Then you know enjoy it. As I did wise. Meanwhile, I like number one. You know enjoy it. Wait, ask your brother. One in a half tancha. I thought to be a vegetable. In a help. What? Idiot. That will go working a virgin. Coward! Come and face a man like you face to face. Come and see if I will not pull off that your brandy penis and force it down your throat. Coward! Let me get you next time.
Jason, please, you have to come down, okay?
If he ever repeats this in this village, I swear I'll take my own life.
God forbid. God forbid. You will not do such a thing. Because of that brandy dog? That village loafer? No, you will not.
Nika, you don't understand how. You don't understand how I feel.
I do understand, my sister. I do. I understand how you feel about everything he has done. Coupled with the foolish art he just displayed here. But please do not let him have the last one. Okay?
Do you think my life will be the same again?
Absolutely not. It will. We need you. Especially Papa and Chico. We need you in their present condition to recover fully. You need to be strong, body and mind, to be able to help them recover. Have you forgotten what Mama told all of us before she betted her last night?
But life is a tough terrain. Only the strong make it through successfully. That no matter what you encounter, you should never lose hope or the will to continue pushing ahead.
Now tell me, have you lost your hope and the will to push ahead? Or because of that idiot called Peter? No, you cannot. Listen, once my Oga set me up in business this day, I'll come home, take you and take you to the city. And after that, I will make sure I enroll you into any university where you will study any course you choose. Yes. And I swear by my mom and family. Yes. Come and see me. This is the first assignment. Make sure you tie it very well. Yeah? Tie it so that it will not lose. Because if you're up there and the back loose, you will fall back. So you make sure you tie it very well. Eh? Then after that, put your head. Sorry, Papa. Sorry. You go. This one. Okay. Then you put it like this. You make sure you balance the center at the lower west.
Yes. And after that, before you go up like this, you will lose it a little bit. Okay. Go like this. Like this. Okay. Then you bring your leg. Okay. Well, let me try it too. My hand. Yes, make sure you balance this place. Then my leg, then your leg. Come up here. So before you take this off, you will be losing it. Then you throw it up. Easy, take it easy. Don't do it now. Okay. Make sure we are going to put your leg strong enough. Okay. This is my son. Oh, your body is my son. Take it. My hand, my hand. Wait. Remove it from there. You're not supposed to remove it from your leg.
I don't do this.
Take it. I'm making it myself.
For how long will I continue like this?
This is the only chance we have.
If I don't continue like this, how will I learn how to climb this thing? Where did I learn it from?
Sorry, my dear.
Oh, God.
I'm teaching you. That was how I learned it from my father. Take it small.
Madam Ruth, my Oga's wife, it's only God that will punish you for all the years I wasted in vain. You brought me back to this village to
Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ọ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ga-atarịrị ahụhụ ụwa. Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ajọ mmadụ ọ bụ ya kazinụ mma o. Tụlee o. Tụlee ma ọ ga-adị gị mma. Ihe ahụ i mere onye ọzọ emeghị ya, ọ ga-adị gị mma. Tụlee o. Tụlee ma ọ ga-amasị gị. Ihe ahụ i mere onye ọzọ emeghị ya, ọ ga-adị gị mma.
Bobby the man! Bobby, where are you now that you are calling me with a foreign number? Switzerland! Hey! Bobby is in Switzerland! Really? Yes, that's because I'm on the road. Okay, just call me back in 2 minutes. Yes, let me move to a less noisy place, please. 2 minutes. Yes. Hey! Bobby! Hey!
Chai! Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ. Ọ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ.
Papa, come on, what's the name of it?
Ọ bụ iwu na ezigbo mmadụ ga-atarịrị ahụhụ.
Good news. Papa, good news. Iranya Dako. Everyone said to go and see on they are confused. The devil has eaten shit so much so that he did not know when my blessings came to me. Papa, our blessing has come. Our time for change has come. Enough chicken. So you have resorted to consuming the palm wine. You went to sell all by yourself. Papa, Idaya.
As you're looking at me, I have not tasted one drop of palm wine. But you're right in one way. I am drunk. Drunk with overwhelming joy.
Okay, brother Chike, put yourself together and tell us what is this thing that is overwhelming you with joy.
Chisom, my baby sister. Your brother is going to travel to Europe very soon. As you're looking at me, I am traveling to Europe very soon. In no time, I will become one of those guys busy in Europe. Yeah. I will be sending down foreign currency to spend the dollar in this house. I'm telling you.
Obviously, if you are not drunk, then you are losing your mind. Yes, that's the only explanation.
Papa, your son is very much okay. I am not drunk. I am not mad. There's this friend of mine, who were together in the city, in the market. When I was in the city, 1 month to his settlement, his oga accused him of stealing his money and sent him away without anything. As I was returning from the market just now, my phone rang. I picked it and it was him. Bobby is now in Switzerland.
Switzerland?
After hearing my story, he took pity on me and decided to help me. Papa, he now told me he wants me to come over to Europe and join him over there. He said he's ready to support me. That is why I am coming home happy. I'm telling you the truth, Papa. Yes, so. Yes, so. He had the woman. 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 He had the woman.
Wait. Chike, you said you trusted this your friend very well.
Yes, Papa.
Very good. Thank you, Chukwuabian. Hi. But did you discuss how you are going to make it to Europe with him? I mean, how you procure visa and flight tickets. That would definitely involve a lot of money, much more than we can afford under our present circumstances. Did he tell you that he's going to help out? I mean, financially.
Papa, we actually did not discuss to that extent yet. It was just a brief call.
Then I'm afraid we are discussing too early. Good and miraculous as the news sounds, unless your friend agrees to help financially. I don't us being able to fund such trip on our own. Please, call him back and discuss all that.
I don't have spare time on my phone. I'll rush down the street to some of these vendors and get one. I'll be back soon. Let me call you. Okay. Hey! Money! I tried as much as I could to explain our family situation to him. Much as I begged him to have pity on us, he refused to get involved beyond helping me settle down in Europe and maybe getting a job. I had to end the call when he threatened to withdraw the offer if I ever asked him of any kind of monetary help.
Very odd. Very, very odd. Offering you something that is beyond your means and refusing to help you out with even a kobo. What an offer. What a help. What a friend. My son, please forget it.
Forget it, Papa. You want me to forget it and remain in this village, eh? You want me to forget it and continue to be a palm wine tapper in this village, Papa? Is that the dream you have for your first son?
I dreamt of better things for you, but devil spoiled everything using just his wife. Have you forgotten? And
now God has brought another opportunity through Bobby by bringing this offer. Eh? Imagine the big change my traveling, working and earning in Europe will bring to this family. Earning and sending down hard currencies, Papa. Don't you know what that is? From a poor man, poor palm wine tapper who could barely feed his family, to someone who spends hard currency. Papa, think about it now. Think about it.
Chike, before your mother's illness forced my business to collapse and made us to relocate to the village, all of us were living in the city. So I am enlightened enough to know that no one travels out of the country without international passport and visa. Have you any of those?
That's part of my discussion with Bobby that you didn't allow me finish telling you. He promised to give me the contact of the man who helped him secure his own visa. He said the man runs a complete package. Passport, visa, and air ticket.
Now, did he give you any idea of how much that would involve?
No.
There you go again. Anyhow, look at this song. It is beyond what we can afford. Forget it, please. Let's keep it.
It will allow him to go and meet the man his friend gave his contact first. At least let us find out what it will involve before concluding. He can even strike a deal with him to pay him as soon as he starts working in Europe.
Exactly. That cannot be possible.
Papa, there is nothing impossible with God.
Yes, Papa. Nothing is impossible. Let us give it a try.
Tule moga digimma iyahi mere onozo emegi ya oga digimma tule moga masigi iyahi mere onozo emegi ya oga digimma. Anya mmiri ejula manya Kwanu mi ihe mere gị o Kwanu mebe mmejọrọ gị Iji ụwa m ọ dị egwu Ọ bụ onye hụrụ m wee hụkwa anya Onye kwuru na magaghị aṅụ mmiri tọgbọ iko